With me, your teacher, Mr. Booster. In this primary integrated science, we are going to discuss on health under the topic food. What is food? Food can be defined as anything that is edible and provides the body with the required nutrients. We're saying that we can put food into different groups or categories. What are these categories? So we're saying that one category of food, they are known as proteins. Proteins, they are also known as bodybuilding foods. So we're saying that proteins, they help a person or an individual to grow. We're saying that protein, they also repair worn out tissues. So apart from proteins, we're saying we've got carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, they are energy giving food. These are foods that provide us with energy. We're saying that most of the cereals, they provide us with carbohydrates, which are energy giving food. Apart from carbohydrates, we're saying we've got vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals, they protect our bodies from diseases. They boost our immune system. We're saying that we usually get vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables. Apart from vitamins and minerals, we're saying we've got fats. Fats, they act as fuel in transportation of nutrients. Fats, they also regulate our body temperature. We're saying that lack of these nutrients, we're saying that a meal is supposed to contain all these food groups we have mentioned. We're saying that when a meal is missing any of these food groups, we are likely to be affected. We're saying that there are diseases that are caused due to lack of nutrients. These diseases are known as deficiency diseases. So deficiency diseases are caused due to lack of nutrients. One example of a deficiency disease is kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is a disease that is caused due to lack of proteins. Another deficiency disease is marasmus. Marasmus is caused due to lack of carbohydrates. Are we there? When we prepare a meal that is containing all these food groups we have mentioned, that meal is known as a balanced diet. A balanced diet is a meal that contains all the food groups. We're saying that when we lack any of these food groups, we are going to suffer from a deficiency disease. A deficiency disease is a disease that is caused to lack of certain nutrients, which is also known as malnutrition, bad feeding. So during our exam, we are likely going to come across 2 or 3 questions from this topic. Let's sample some of the questions. Which of the following contains the best sources of vitamins and minerals? Which of the following contains the best sources of vitamins and minerals? A. Fish and vegetables. Was this the correct answer? No. Why? We're saying fish does not provide us with vitamins and minerals. Fish provide us with proteins. Very good. We go to B. B is saying fruits and vegetables. Fruits, yes, they provide us with vitamins. How about beef? We're saying that beef provides us with proteins. So B was not the correct answer. We go to C. C is saying vegetables and fruits. We're saying that C was the correct answer. We're saying vegetables and fruits, they provide us with vitamins and minerals. We go to the next question. Which of the following list consists of food rich in proteins? Which of the following list consists of food rich in proteins? So we said that proteins, these are body building foods. They also repair worn out tissues. Let's take a look at the multiple choice. A. Tomatoes, oranges, bananas. So these, they provide us with what? Vitamins. These are fruits. Let's take a look at B. Sorghum, sugar, rice. We're saying that these are cereals. And in my preamble, I said cereals, they provide us with the carbohydrates, also known as energy giving food. So B was not the correct answer. Let's take a look at C. We're saying meat, beans, and fish. So we're saying meat, beans, fish. These, they provide us with protein. So the correct answer there was C. We take a look at question 3. which of the following is not a deficiency disease? We defined a deficiency disease, a disease that is caused due to lack of certain nutrients. Now here they're asking which one is not a deficiency disease, which one is not caused due to lack of nutrients. Let's take a look at A. A, we're saying dysentery. Dysentery is caused by what? Very good. We're saying that dysentery is a waterborne disease. So dysentery is not a deficiency disease. When we talk of kwashiorkor, we're saying that kwashiorkor is a deficiency disease. We talk of marasmus, marasmus is a deficiency disease. We talk of rickets, rickets are deficiency diseases. I believe you've gotten one or two. Before I go, we make a recap of what we've discussed. We are saying that food is anything that is edible and provide the body with required nutrients. We're saying that food can be put in different categories or groups. We mentioned some of the groups. We mentioned proteins, which are said to be bodybuilding foods. They also repair worn out tissues. Foods that can give us proteins, we're saying we've got fish, meat, chicken, beef. So we're saying that animal products, they usually provide us with what? With proteins. Not forgetting eggs and beans. Apart from that, we're saying we've got carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, these are energy giving food. We usually get them from cereals such as maize, rice, wheat, and so on. We've got fats. Fats, we're saying that they act as fuel in transportation of nutrients. We're saying that fats, they also regulate our body temperature. We're saying that we can get fats from cheese. What else apart from cheese? We're saying meat such as pork, they provide us with fats, butter, to mention but a few. Apart from fats, we talked of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals, we're saying that they are protective foods. They protect us from diseases. Hence, every meal is supposed to have vitamins and minerals. Where do we get these things? We're saying we get them from fruits and vegetables. Thank you for being with me. I'm your teacher, Mr. Booster, and go please.